Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a quick video today on how to get your logo onto the center rings of the Prime Series media players. So I had somebody ask me this the other day, and they were looking at my SC5000s, and I had my logo down on the center ring of the platters. And of course, as you know, on the 5000s and 6000s, and of course the Prime 4 as well, those center rings are displays. So default, your displays on the SC5000s are the album art of whatever you have on your engine hard drive or your engine thumb drive. So, that's nice and all, but it's also cool to have your own logo down there whenever you're playing. So I had somebody come up at a wedding recently as well, and when I do weddings, I have my company logo on the SC5000s because that's what's on my hard drive that I use weddings for. And they're like, that's really cool. You have your own logo down there. That's neat. And so I'm going to show you real quick how to create your own custom logo to put on the SC5000s or 6000s or whatever you have. What is cool about this too is whatever your flash drive has, it works. Like whenever you plug that flash drive into a set of SC5000s or Prime 4 or whatever you have, your logo stays with that flash drive. So no matter where you go, you have your logo with you whenever you plug in and go. So we're going to hop over here to Photoshop. You don't have to use Photoshop. You can use any visual editor that you want. There's GIMP. There's all kinds of free ones out there. There's only a few important things you have to remember. The first thing you have to know is the image that you create has to be 600 by 600 pixels. If you don't have it 600 by 600, the 5000s will scale it, and so it usually looks really weird, and so you want it to be pixel perfect because it's not a real high-res center display, so having it correctly pixeled is going to make a difference in how it looks. So it won't look smashed or it won't look blurry. So we're going to go 600 by 600 here. 300 pixels an inch is fine. We want RGB color, 8-bit, and black is fine. So we're going to create that. Alright, next we're going to put our logo in here. You can put whatever you want. I mean, you don't have to put your logo. You can put text. You can put anything that can exist in an image can go on those. Keep in mind, it is going to chop the corners off of this, so I recommend centering things up and giving yourself a little bit of space because the display is round and you have a square image here. You can chop this to make it circular, or you can put a little ring just outside of the 600 by 600 if you want to help you, make sure you're going to be in there. But for my case, I'm just going to put everything in the center that I want, which is just going to be my logo. So I have my logo up here. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it over into here. And we'll scale it down here to make it look good. Alright, so I'm just going to center this up here. I'm not really going to do much to it. You can put a background on here, and one of them that I have done up, I have a background on, which I've got it right here. And this one here is what I normally have on my SC5000s. I have that cool background. And it doesn't look perfect on the SC5000s because it's a pretty low-res display, but it's still neat. But yeah, you can just drag an image and use it as your background. Like I said, just keep in mind that it's going to cut your corners off there. But that's basically it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to save this as... it has to be named something correctly to go on the SC5000. So for our instance here, it has to be named logo.png, and it does have to be a PNG format. So I'm just going to export this as a PNG. You can do a quick export. I'm just going to do export as. That looks good. 600 by 600. We'll verify that. PNG. All right. We're just going to export this as logo. I'm just going to save it as logo.png. All right. So now I have it saved as logo.png. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up our flash drive here. And then we're going to go to the engine library folder. So if you're not familiar, the engine library is where engine keeps all the database and stuff like that for the stuff that's on the flash drive. So literally I have my, code music is what my flash drive is called. And this is what I have all my engine stuff on. And in that flash drive, there's a folder called engine library. So I just opened up the engine library folder, and then all I have to do is take that logo.png that I made, drop it in here, and that's it. The logo.png has to exist on your flash drive / engine library. So in that engine library folder, you'll see like m.db, p.db, things like that. That's the folder you want. Don't put it in the music. Don't put it in the root of the flash drive. It has to be in the engine library folder. And now, when we eject this and take it over the SC5000s, we'll see our logo. So let's do that real quick. Alright, so we're over here at the SC5000s. So I'm going to take my flash drive that we had just set everything up on. I'm going to plug it in down here. Come on now. You always get it upside down the first time. Alright. So now we're going to take a look at the screen here. We're going to go up to Code Music, which is the one. I'm going to load my profile. And as soon as I've loaded my profile, boom, there's the logo. So this also transfers over the network for the SC5000, so because I have them linked through my X1800, I'll go over here. Now default, you get the Engine Prime logo down here on the display, but as soon as I come up here and hit my flash drive, that will change over to my logo. Now, as you can see, it is kind of chopped off on all the sides there, so that was why I said to kind of center things up. And you may have to make some adjustments. The best thing to do is just put them in there, load it up, see how it looks, then make adjustments if you need to after that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope this was informative. Please, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you. Thank you guys much, and we'll see you in the next video.